Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Among Us VR uses proximity voice for local speech and lobby voice for meetings. Proximity voice means nearby players hear you in real time. Lobby voice activates during meetings so everyone can discuss. You can choose push-to-talk or open mic in settings. Push-to-talk requires pressing and holding the assigned button each time you speak. Open mic transmits continuously and risks background noise. Adjust microphone volume in the VR settings to avoid clipping or low audio. Check headset input and output levels before joining a public lobby. Open the in-game settings to map push-to-talk to a comfortable controller button. Choose a button you can reach without breaking movement or task flow. Set voice range to short, medium, or long to control who hears you. Short range keeps voice local to a few meters in game space. Medium and long reach wider parts of the map and all players nearby. Test your mic in the private lobby before joining a public game. Use the built-in microphone test and adjust gain to prevent clipping. Mute when performing noisy tasks or when leaving your headset to avoid feedback. Learn map room names and say them clearly during discussions to avoid confusion. Use clear short sentences and state locations using vent names or map rooms. Report sightings succinctly with time and location to help crew identify imposters. Avoid personal attacks and keep roleplay within agreed limits for fun. Respect private lobbies rules and follow host instructions about voice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.